How's it going, Felix Traders? Welcome back to my screen yet again, and this is my weekly outlook, volume 1. So it will be posted in volumes by volumes now because I feel it's pretty easy like that, so you can just look it out straight up. And it's going to entail all the pairs I trade and my breakdown on all pairs every week. So that is it. So right now, this is Euro USD. As you can see, price is currently bullish. You can see the lows, the highs, the lows, the highs, the retest on these highs, and now we're expecting price to push to break to take out this. That's what we're expecting, right? Like we still have about still have about 170 pips to the upside. That is if price is going to continue the trend to the upside, or price is going to come here, and you can see different things about price here. Price can get here as it is now and breaks this low and starts, and you just see a market trend shift. You just see it, market shifts. Price is just going to be it's just going to continue downward like that. So but what I'm expecting is for price to take out these highs. So like right now, that is where we are. And I'll just draw my zones. Represent my weekly zones. Well, my it's my blue bar, as you all know. So that's all for the weekly direction, and we are seeing price is bullish. So for the daily time frame is where I like to see what price is doing right now, like react to what price is doing. And as you can see, price looks like it is coming. Price looks like it is changing market trend, like it's changing the market shift. That is where you see price comes like this, creates a high, breaks that high, breaks this low, and what you should be expecting is for price to come and create a new lower high, so you can start shorting to the downside. So what you should be expecting, I just break it down in one. I just broke it down once. So what you should be expecting is for right now is for price to create a new lower high and short it. This should be your target here. It should be a target here. For this price, this should be your target. So you should be expecting price to create a new lower high and short it down to this downside. That is if price is going to respect this. On the other hand, price can come here, break, because you can see from the weekly time frame we are bullish. On the other hand, price can come here, break these highs, then create a new higher low, and you can see price is going to continue the buy momentum to the upside. So these are the two scenarios you can see from price this week. Either price comes here, create a new lower high, and you short this market to the downside, or price comes here, break these highs and create a new lower and create a new higher low, and you can buy to the upside. That is it. So there are two opportunities here. Either you continue the buy momentum, or you short price to this zone here, to this highs, to this zone. I just represent as zone. So that's what you should be expecting, because if you go down to the lower time frame, you see a lot of liquidities price needs to take. If price is going to go down, price will take this out. So this can be a first target. Price will take this out. So price should be, if price is going to continue the trend to the upside, it's going to take all this. Then you can see price continue the trend to the upside. So you should be expecting price to just come here, come here, a new higher low, and can short price to this point for 156 pips to the upside, or price should break here, print a new higher, a new, sorry, price should print a new lower high for that short. The price should print a new higher low, and you can buy from here to this point. That is it. That is simple. That is how I just trade, because simplicity is key. So that is that on Euro USD. The breakdown, I'm expecting either price gives a new higher low for me to buy to the upside, or lower high for me to sell to the downside. So that is what I'm expecting. On AUD USD, pretty simple. Okay, let me just use this because I have this already. I came to the weekly time frame. Yeah, start from the weekly time frame as always. The weekly time frame, as you can see, prices. What do you see? The same thing, right? This is what price did, right? This is where price is at right now. So what should you be expecting? Right now, this scenario shows okay, price is bullish. What you should be expecting now is for price to come and give a new lower, a new higher low, and you buy to this point, right? That's what you should be expecting. Like, because why? Price is currently bullish because price has broken these highs, and it looks like it came from a retest. So you should be expecting a confirmation here to buy. That is where price is going to give a new higher low, and you buy to this point. Okay, but if price doesn't do that, you'll be expecting price to break here. Expecting price to break here gives a retest for a new lower high, and you sell price to the downside. That's what you should just be expect. That just two scenarios. Prepare for the 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 otherwise. That is how you trade this market, because you cannot just, you have to be flexible as a trader. Once price gives you a trend change or something, you have to be ready to spot it. You have to be able to spot it and see, okay, oh, see what price is doing right now. See what price is currently doing. I have to like react to what price is doing. You have to trade to what price is doing, react to what price is doing currently. So this is what price is doing, and this is what I'm expecting. A new lower, a new higher low, and I'll be buying to this point. So if it goes down to the daily time frame, you see what this price. Price is just heavily retracing downwards. So we should be expecting a confirmation for a new higher low. So I'm not going to be here to tell you, oh, this is where price wants to reverse. This is where price wants to start a new thing. This is where, no, I'm just telling you what I am just expecting. If price does this, I'll do that. If price if price does this, I'll do this. If price does that, I'll do that. So that's what I'm just telling you. So if price comes here now and gives a very good opportunity for me to buy, I would buy to this. This will be my first target here. If price gives me the opportunity, I would gladly buy to this point. Yes, that is it. And if price gives me an opportunity to sell, I'll gladly sell to. That's when price breaks here. I'll gladly sell to this point here. Here, that is it. That is what I'm going to do. So, well, this is what that is that on AUDs. Let me go to GU. I really, gold is very choppy at the moment. Very, very choppy at the moment. So on GU, I also have an analysis done already. Straight up, same thing. On GU, you can see price is also bullish. Price came here to retest its highs. You can see immediately price retested it, gives an engulfing pattern. You can see price move to the upside, and now price is currently coming back to retest this recent high here. So that is what that's where we are right now. Either price comes here to retest these highs and you buy to the upside, here should be your first target, or price breaks this lows, retest to give a new lower high, and you sell downwards. So that is what you should be expecting. Price should, but right now I'm expecting, because price is bullish, I'm expecting price to retest this high and give a confirmation for a buy, because as you can see on the daily time frame, price is just heavily retracing downwards. So I'm expecting price to just come here and give a retest, and I'll buy to this upside. So that is it on GU. Nothing much. I don't need to go to the lower time frames, because this was what I'm just seeing. Price should just come here, retest, and give a very clear direction. I'll buy to this. If it gives a very clear direction, it's a very very good opportunity to buy like crazy. 178 pips or 180, and that's crazy, right? So that's what you should be expecting. Buys to this point, but if it breaks here, sells to this point here. So that is it on GU. So as you can see, where you can also get your buyers for the Euro USD is also the DXY. The DXY currently, you can see, created a double bottom here, and you can see we should be expecting DXY to push in the daily to this point. This is the realistic target for DXY to push to this point. But if it doesn't push, DXY breaks here in the daily time frame, retest, gives a new higher lower high, I will sell DXY to break, to take out all these lows. So this will be my like target here. That is if DXY breaks this low here. But if it doesn't, you could see DXY push for the meantime to this point. That is if it is going to continue the short-term bullish trend, is going to push to this upside. So that is it for DXY. Nothing much. It's just the same thing. It's DXY is just the opposite of Euro USD. That is what DXY is. The chart is the opposite of Euro USD. You can check it yourself. I don't even need you. Everybody knows. Anybody that trades forex knows DXY is the opposite of Euro USD. So USD JPY, the yen has been very hard sometimes. Like it's not giving a deep retracement and also, but I really don't mind, because I understand what price is doing. Price is just currently bullish since when price refused to break this low. As you can see, price has broken this high. The next thing you could see, the retracement created a new high. This is like big high though, but like price created a new high. The price has pushed, so we should be expecting price to either push to this point, probably expecting price to push here, right? That is what you should be expecting price to do. But before, you cannot just buy here to this point. You should be expecting a retracement before you buy. So that is where you should be expecting for either price to come here and you buy to this point. Gives a big price to come here and you buy to this point, just here, and you buy to this point. This should be a target here. Yes. Or price should come here and gives a clear entry. You should buy to this point. Those are the two things you should be looking at. But if price gives, oh, it gives a clue and said, oh, as and puts it as, oh, I am not going, I'm exhausted, I don't want to go up anymore, it's going to give a very good clue, because price is going to give, okay, price will come and give either a double top or that market shift here, here, here. So these are the two things you'll be looking at if price wants to reverse. Double top, market shift, or that market shift pattern. But as you can see, price is still currently bullish, nothing much. That's why I say I don't have any drawing on it, because there is no deep retracement or no clear, very, very clear opportunity to jump on this pair to trade. So that's why you can see. So my top two pairs this week, my top three pairs, sorry, this week that I'm looking at is Euro USD, AUD USD, and GBP USD. Those are my top three pairs I am looking at this week for an opportunity to trade. Either price continues the buy momentum to the upside, or price gives a short position, clear short entry to the downside. So that's what I'm going to be expecting on Euro USD this week. That is it. On also on these pairs this week. So these are my top three pairs. One, two, three. So let me just give you guys a bonus on BTC. As you all know, I have called BTC a long time. Like, I have told everybody, yo, BTC is going for a lot. I don't know. My analysis are most times always spot on BTC. Once it comes to BTC, it's just crazy. As you can see, BTC is currently bullish. It is currently bullish right now. So my target for BTC should be like 47k. If this is ready, it should reach about 47k. So you guys can actually buy BTC when BTC creates a retracement. Right now, I'm seeing BTC to move up to 47k. Because I can see this is the lows, this is the highs. This is the last high price, which as you can see, what the price do break here. So what you should be expecting is for price to probably come to this highs to retest it, gives a new higher low, and you buy BTC to this point. So I am bullish on BTC currently. You should be expecting a movement to the downside first and continuation to the upside on BTC, because if you look at the daily time frame, just watch out for the daytime. Take time frame to tell when the weekly was to go down. That's what the daily time frame does, and the 4 hour time frame will tell, or the 2 hour, the 3 hours, or the 1 hour tells when the daily wants to go down. So that is what each time frames. That's how each time frames works. They tell the lower time frames tell when this price wants to go down, and the higher time frames tell the overall directions of all these pairs. The lower time frames are just there to okay to give you an entry, good entry, so your stop loss won't be wide and stuff. So you just have to know what you use your time frames, each of your time frames for. So I should be expecting a movement to the downside if price is ready. I don't know yet if price is ready. You should be expecting a movement on this pair to the downside. So that is it on BTC. So if you guys want to join my free Telegram to see when I'll be posting all these setups and taking all this trade, it is there. You can link, the link is there. Link is in my bio. You can join. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can like get new updates on when I upload my new videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share, so you guys can support the channel. So that is it. So I can be so the channel can like be increasing, the community can be increasing. So you can join my free Telegram also. Follow my Instagram page and my TikTok. Also, those are like where you can expect some bombs, a lot of free setups. Yeah. So yeah. See you in the next video. Thank you. It's great to meet you.